Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup. And then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, take out the back cover and eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 15 screws on the mid frame. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid-frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to free the plastic clips. Take out the mid-frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and pull out the networking depth and macro cameras from the board. Next, disconnect two antenna heads and the main flex from the board. Next, undo the screw on the board. Next, gently pull out the logic board using a pry tool. Next, disconnect and pull out the main and ultrawide cameras from the rear side of the logic board. Next, place the new main and ultrawide cameras on the logic board. Next, place and secure the logic board on the body. Next, secure the screw, 2 antenna heads and main flex to the logic board. Next, secure the new macro and depth cameras into the logic board. Next, place the new front camera on the board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the mid-frame by adding 15 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.